Hi guys, welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. For those of you that are new, my name is Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I like to make French toast. Now this is kind of like a last minute recipe for me. I was actually waking up on a random Saturday morning and decided that I wanted some French toast. Realized I never shared how I make it with you guys, and I went to work. It's literally the best, the easiest recipe ever. Nothing super fancy, things you already probably have on hand. So I'm so excited to bring it to you. If you want to see how they come together, make sure you keep on watching. So to make this, you're obviously going to need some bread. I really love using challah bread for this. You're going to need some honey. I'm using vanilla paste, but you can use vanilla extract, a pinch of salt, some cinnamon, unsalted butter, eggs, milk. And then what I like to do is I preheat my oven to 250, and then that way as I'm making the French toast, I stick it on the pan and put it in the oven so that they don't cool off. So into my milk, I'm going to go ahead and add in my eggs. And then I'm just going to basically dump everything in here. So a little bit of honey. I do about a teaspoon or so. I really think it brings out the flavor in the French toast. You're going to add in your cinnamon, your vanilla paste, about a teaspoon or so. This stuff is like gold to me, like liquid gold, because it's so expensive, but it's so good. And then just a pinch of salt, just to kind of bring out the sweetness. And you're just going to mix this all together until it's nice and incorporated. So my mixture is nice and combined. So what you're going to do is, I cut my bread pretty thick, about 3/4 of an inch or so. You're going to put it into your mixture. And you're going to let these soak for about a minute and a half, and then you're going to flip them so that the other side gets nice and kind of, the liquid's just going to soak into your French toast. And then I will show you so that we can start cooking them. Okay, so I added about a tablespoon of unsalted butter to my pan. You can do this, or you could do a butter and oil mixture, but I really just prefer butter. And you can add butter as needed. So if you need more for your next batch, go ahead and do that. So my French toast, I want to show you, nicely soaked everything in. So then you're just going to continue doing the same thing. You're going to put these on your pan, and you're going to cook them for about 2 minutes, two and a half minutes, until they're nicely brown. You're going to keep it on medium heat. And then while these are cooking, I'm going to add in my next bread so that it soaks. And then you can serve them with fruit. You can serve them with maple syrup, whatever your heart desires. But this is just kind of like a basic go-to French toast recipe. Literally so delicious. I can't live without it. So I'm so glad to share it with you. I hope you found this helpful. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.